Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So Revit architectural tutorial series we have started for the architecture students and the civil engineers. So lots of videos we have already uploaded in which we have discussed about how you can create floors, how you can create walls, how to place doors, windows, how to place components like sofa set, TV unit or the kitchen set. So you can go and check out this playlist in detail. Today we will be discussing about how you can create a roof for your house. So for that one we will be discussing how many types of roof you can create by using the roof tool from the Revit. So for now I'm copying this small room, so we can create different types of roof over this small room. For this you can use the array command also to copy. For example, I have selected my 4 walls. I will use the command copy, then I will select one corner from here, then I have to click on array. Okay, I am using array command. So the numbers, how much numbers you want to make it, using the array command I will put 4 numbers. Okay, one rough distance I will take here, you can use the exact. So see here the force automatically has copied. So like this you can also copy using the array command. You will copy in the x direction also. Again go to array, select the edge, give the numbers. For example, 4 numbers, put at a rough distance, for example 20 feet. 4 numbers, then here we will be placing here. So as you can see, so like this you can copy through array command also. So right now these all are in array, so I will make it unjoined again. By filter you can select only the model groups. Right now they are created as model groups, so I will make them ungroup. Okay, done. Once more, filter, model group, check none, model group, okay, ungroup. Okay, so now we can start our roof creation. We will discuss from basics how you can create different roof style. For example, to creating any roof, so first I will explain you about levels. Let me go to any of the section view. As you can see here, these are the rooms that we have copied. So our rooms are this is our first floor rooms, and then we are having a floor above this one. So we need to be create a one roof for each of those house, each of those small rooms. We needs a one roof for them. So how many types of methods are there, this we will be discussing. So first of all, understand this one. Ground floor is our base of these rooms, and first floor is the top of these rooms, whatever we have copied right now. The first floor is the top, right? Because while you are creating a roof, it will ask you which level you want the roof to be placed. For example, you will go to roof. Today we will be discussing about only roof by footprint feature. Then in next videos we will be discussing all those features also. So you will click on roof by footprints. See here the feature, the tool is asking on which floor you want the roof to be created. So ground floor is our room, and we want the roof to be created on the first floor, so we will be selecting first floor from here. I'm modeling in 3D directly for better understanding. You will click on yes. Okay, so now you are having the same as while creating wall or while creating the floors. All these draw toolbars are available there, in which you can create element by drawing any geometry from the line, by drawing any geometry from the rectangle, by drawing any geometry or by picking lines from the existing geometries. Like it will pick the automatically line from the existing wall. Okay, so we have choose this one, this feature, picked lines. So all 4 lines you can see in the magenta colors. Okay, all 4 lines are picked. So right now, as you can see here, one triangle is available in all four lines. Let me turn this to wireframe. As you can see here, this 4 different sides we are having a triangle. What does this triangle means? It means it is giving currently a slope to the roof in all 4 corners that you have selected. So if we will be clicking here, let's say we will be completing this roof. Okay, this roof is completed. So as you can see here, all 4 sides we are having a slope. These sides also have a slope, This sides also have a slope, this side also having slope. So like this, all four sides having slope. So you can create such wall having each side slope. Now how to create only three side slope? So again we will go to roof, we will select the first floor. Then this time I am using this feature by earlier we used pick lines, this time I will use pick walls. So the walls you selected, it will pick and it will create a roof over those walls. Now for example, this side I don't want the slope, so you can simply select this wall and you can mention, you can uncheck this one, define slope roof. So here no slope will be there, and you can also see here the slope degree. So right now you can't change because you have already unchecked the define slope for this particular edge. So if I am clicking this one, now see we are having slope in only three direction, 1 2 3. This direction we are having no slope. So like this you can create a roof with three side slopes. Next, if you go to roof again, go to first floor. This time I am using this rectangle feature to create roof. I will select the two corners of this room, click OK. This time I am unchecking the slope feature from the two opposite wall. For example, these two opposite wall we have unchecked the slope features, click OK. Now the slope is only available for the two sides, one this one and next this one, and these two opposite sides we are not having any slope. So like this you can create the two slope also. Next, roof, go to roof footprint again, select first floor, yes, okay, selecting the via rectangle, done. Okay, this time I am using, I am giving the slope only in one direction. For example, I am removing the slope for the three edges. Let's remove this one, check OK. So as you can see here, only in one direction we are having slope and rest of the direction no slope is there. Okay, so from this edge the roof is having slope. So this is how you can create a roof by providing slope in 4 direction, 3 direction, 2 direction and in only one direction. Now if you want to change the slope of this roof, you can click here and you can make it like 10 degree. If you want it to be 10 degree, you can make 10 degree. If you want it to be 5 degree, you can adjust from here. Also you can adjust from here also, you can move it down, up, and for the exact value you can mention in the slope parameter. Okay, so this is how you can create a roof having slope. Now next, go to again architecture, let me okay, go to again roof by footprint, then first floor FFL, yes, okay. So now if you want to create a roof having openings in between, so what you will do here, let me first explain you the offset feature. As you can see here, in overhang parameter we are having 0 fit value. Okay, it means it is creating roof exactly over those walls of the room. If you want the roof in 4 corners to be overhanged like 2 feet extra you need in all 4 corners, then you will be using this feature. Okay, so simply you have to provide the data of offset 2 feet, you will provide here. Then right now that projection line is coming in inside, so if you put the projection line inside, it will create, for example, you are choosing the projection line inside the house, inside the room, so it will create a roof 2 feet from all the edges of roof are 2 feet from the inner side of walls. Okay, so like this roof will be created. Again, go to roof by footprint, first floor. This time we will use the same 2 feet overhang, but we will create the overhang outside the walls of this room. So you can see the projection lines are coming. Let me show you in the wireframe. You can see the projection line are coming outside of this room. Okay, so we will click, and we will complete it. Don't attach. For now we are not using that attach feature. You can see in all 4 edges our roof is extra, means overhung 2 feet from all 4 edges of this room's wall. Okay, so like this you can create different roof type also. Next if you want to create a like opening in the in between this roof, you can also create that opening. For example, let me copy this one, we are placing here. Okay, by choosing a particular roof and clicking on edit footprint, you can edit that particular roof in the model. Okay, so this one, as I already told you in my existing videos also, if any geometry you have created in the closed loop like this rectangle, we are already having a closed loop. If any geometry I will create here, for example this geometry I have created here, and by choosing the tab I will turn off slope for all the inner edges. So whatever geometry we have created here, it will create an opening in the existing geometry. So we will click this OK. So as you can see here, an opening is created in the same existing roof that we have drawn. For example, this roof without opening, this roof with opening. So like this you can create the opening also here. Next, you want to create a different shape. For example, okay, so for flat roof we didn't created yet flat roof. So if you want the flat roof, you can reduce the slope value for this one also. And while modeling, for example, go to roof by footprint. We want first floor, yes, rectangle. Here while creating, you will create, or this one you will select all 4 edges, you will remove the slope value, done. So here a flat roof is created. Okay, now if you want to create a different shape roof, let me copy this. If you want to create a circular arc, something like this, then you can also create. Let's select this roof again, edit footprint. Okay, so now we'll be drawing one arc here. Okay, so this arc we have created. We have to remove the internal part, because while drawing those geometry we can't intersect two lines. Click OK, don't attach. As you can see here, the roof is created. Right now the roof is created with the slope. We have to remove that particular slope, edit footprint. Okay, this one, click and check on the roof, on the slope value. As you can see here, you can create a roof with an arc or circle, whatever you want. You can create different geometry using the toolbar. You can use pentagon, circle, ellipse, all those features while drawing your roof. So next, if you want to reduce the slope, for example, you don't want the all four edges slopes to be 30°, then you can also reduce the slope of any two sides. For example, we have copied this one, again edit footprint, then we will be selecting these two. For these two, we'll be increasing the slope value up to 60°. Okay, so now you can see in this we are having all four sides 30° slope, but in this case these two sides we are having 60° slope, and opposite two sides we are having 30° slope. So like this you can change the slope also for any two sides. Next, if you want to create a roof with curtain panels or the glass work, also you can do this. For example, this one, if you go to roofs here, a sloped glazing option is there. If you click on this, a sloped glazing it will be converted into a sloped glazing. Okay, now you can create a curtain grid over here. For example, you can create a curtain grid also as per our requirement. In the horizontal, vertical directions, you can create those grids panels also there. Okay, so this one, roof options are also there. Create. Next one, if you want to change the width of a roof, for example, right now we are using this roof 300 mm. You can change from the existing itself, but for example you want to change this to 200, and 200 option is not there. So how you can change? So for that one, you have to select an existing roof. You will go to edit type. First of all, you will duplicate. You will mention here the exact naming for your easy guidance in the future work. You will mention here generic roof 100 mm. Click OK. You will go to edit type structural part. Here you will make it 100 mm or 4 inch. Okay, apply. Okay, so this is how you can change the roof width also here. Okay, this one also clear. Next, if you want, there is one feature available for each roof. For example, this roof right now as you can see here, let me do one more roof for understanding. Right now, for example, we are having one room here also, and we want the roof over both two rooms. So for this, again, we will go to roof by footprints. You will select the first floor, yes, then you will select the wall or any feature. I'm selecting wall. By tab, you can select all four walls. Okay, first of all, I need to remove this 2 feet feature, 2 feet overhang. I'm removing and 0 feet. So now, this time if you will click, it will not create a wall. It will show you an error because the lines are intersecting here, that I told you in the starting. So first of all, we have to adjust our geometry. Let me move this to outer edges. You can use the line command also. Okay, so now this intersecting line we have to remove. For this, you can use the split command also. If you want to use by manual, then manual also you can do. For joining two lines, you can use the tr command. Okay, this line. Okay, geometry done. And we are okay, good to go. As you can see here, on both of the rooms, the roof is created. Okay, so like this, you can create the roof or two rooms also. And if you don't want the slope in this direction, then you can remove the slope from this edge also. For example, let me copy this one. Okay, let me do in the same. For example, we don't want the slope in this particular edge, so you will click on the edit footprint. You will select this edge. You will uncheck this define slope. Click OK. This time there will be no slope in this particular edge. Next, while drawing the roof, as you can see here, let me explain with this one. As you can see here, we are having a wall and there is a gap in between roof. So how you can quickly manage those gaps? For that particular, you have to select this wall. There will be a feature available, attach top base. You will click on the attach top base. You will select the particular roof, and this one will be done automatically by Revit. Next, this one, for example, attach top, select. So this one automatically attached by Revit. So Revit automatically attach your wall to the particular roof. If you want to detach again, you can go detach top base. You can click, and again it will be detached. Okay, so you can use this feature to completely fill those gaps whatever is created by using the roof features. For example, if you want to close this one, you can use this feature attach top base. You will select this, and this one will be filled. From this direction also you can fill, so you can use this feature also. Okay, next, so as you can see here, if the roof base which is hanged over the any wall, you can see here right now this membrane, the roof edge is showing that it can be fixed from the side membrane, because on the wall it is not easy to support directly on this wall. We need a membrane. If you want the roof to be bottom support, then simply you have to click on this. Then one feature is there. For example, if you go here, after cut option is there. If you select it on to cut square, so now you can see here the bottom can be directly placed on those walls. You can select on the to cut plumb, and if you want to be from side, you want the profiles to be side show, you can again go to plumb cut. Okay, so you can change the profiles also from the side or bottom for any roof you have model. So this is all about roof. So today we have discussed the roof in architecture, how you can create by using roof by footprint feature. So if you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe.